Hello, my name is Yelena and this is Ozzy. I wanted to welcome all of you to my 10-day yoga challenge for beginners. We're really excited about doing this challenge, and I know that everybody might have different ideas of why they want to do this in the first place. Maybe you're just trying to create some type of better habits in your life, or maybe you made a vow to yourself to get off the couch and start moving your body a little bit more. Or maybe you're just genuinely interested in yoga and you had no idea how to get started. Well, this 10-day yoga challenge is going to serve that purpose for whatever your intention might be today. But before we begin, go ahead and just get relaxed because we're not even going to be doing any yoga practices today. This is basically just our little orientation, so stay tuned. So during this 10-day yoga journey that we'll experience together, we're going to be covering a lot of yoga basics. So if you had any questions whatsoever where to begin, hopefully we're going to cover all of this information right here. So what you'll need in order to do this challenge, basically just you and your body. I would like to suggest that you wear more comfortable, form-fitted clothing. The baggier the clothing, it seems to be a little bit more difficult to do some of these fluid movements that we'll be engaging in. And while we won't be doing anything too extreme, it just helps if you feel comfortable while you're expressing and moving yourselves the way that we will be. So you don't have to have anything fancy, no expensive yoga clothing or anything like that, but if you do have a pair of form-fitted shorts or anything like that, that's gonna work perfect for you. And secondly, I would suggest not eating too close to the time of our practice, just so that you make sure you don't have anything bubbling around in the stomach. Sometimes this can cause a little bit of discomfort, but if you do eat, just wait 1 or 2 hours, give it a little bit of time to digest, if that is more convenient for you. And also, you will be needing a yoga mat. Now, it doesn't matter if you have a fancy yoga mat or if it's something that you picked up from a garage sale. Just make sure that you have something to keep you nice and balanced and gripped while we are doing some of our postures. Now, if you absolutely don't have a yoga mat, you can always do this practice on your carpet as well. Just use whatever you have available. And lastly, my friends, make sure to show up with a complete open mind and be sure to accept yourself wherever you are physically or mentally in the moment during each day of our challenge. Now, we might be brought up against different roadblocks or difficulties that could be brought up to the surface, maybe some things that we've been unconscious about that are now being brought into the conscious light. And we should applaud these things, even though they might be difficult in the moment, because we're helping ourselves to heal, we're helping ourselves to grow. This whole 10-day challenge is all about building that inner self-discipline and motivation so that we can have the willpower to do bigger and better things and reach higher expressions of our goals that we have set for ourselves. And it starts right here, right now. This is day 0 of our challenge, and you guys have got this. So make sure to show up for your first day, day 1. And we're gonna go ahead and get started on this yoga journey together. So thank you guys so much for showing up, and I'm really excited to get moving with you.